Today I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your plan on Squarespace. Whether you're looking to add more features to your website or unlock advanced e-commerce capabilities, upgrading your Squarespace plan is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your site's functionality. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you directly to your Squarespace dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your websites. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see a list of all the websites connected to your account. Locate the specific website you want to upgrade. Next to each website name, you'll notice 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various management options. From this menu, select Billing. This is where all your subscription and payment information lives, making it the central hub for any plan changes. In the Billing section, click on Subscriptions. This will display an overview of all your active subscriptions tied to your Squarespace account. Here you can manage what you're currently paying for and make adjustments as needed. Now, click on your website from the list of subscriptions. This will open up the specific subscription details for that site. Once you're viewing those details, look for the subscribe button and click it. This action initiates the upgrade process and takes you to the plan selection page. You'll now see all the available plans that Squarespace offers. These include the Personal Plan, Business Plan, Commerce Basic, and Commerce Advanced. Each plan is tailored to different needs, whether you're running a simple blog, a professional business site, or a full-fledged online store. Take a moment to review the core features and advantages of each plan. This comparison helps you understand what additional tools and capabilities you'll gain with each upgrade, ensuring you choose the plan that best fits your goals. Once you've decided which plan suits your needs, click Select next to your chosen option. This confirms your choice and moves you forward in the checkout process. Next, you'll be prompted to choose your payment frequency. Squarespace offers 2 options: pay annually or pay monthly. Annual payments often come with a discount, so consider that if you're planning to use Squarespace long-term. After making your selection, click Confirm Selection to proceed. Now it's time to confirm your payment details. You'll need to add your card information if you haven't already saved it to your account. Enter your card details carefully, then click Save and Continue. This finalizes your payment information and processes your upgrade. Give it a moment to complete the transaction, and you'll see confirmation that your plan has been successfully upgraded. And that's it. You've now upgraded your Squarespace plan, unlocking new features and capabilities for your website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.